This keyboard is awesome sauce. I lubed it yesterday with baby oil. It has different modes, off, and then function key, press this little page button, turn it back on, press it again, gives it the brightness mode. You do FN and page up, and I can control the strobe. Y'all probably want to see this with the lights off. But yeah, that's the fastest strobe it has, and you can brighten it down, obviously. Which is kind of cool. And then you press FN again, turns off, and then you can just adjust brightness from there. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a typing test on this keyboard. I lubed it with baby oil, I said. Give you a view at this keycap. Turn on the brightness for this. There you can see the membrane switch, and there are the little key switches. Keycaps. So I'm gonna put this thing back on. I'll give you guys a little typing test. Alright, ready? I think it sounds pretty darn good for a membrane keyboard. I don't know, you guys let me. This little thing here is blacked out because for the space bar and shift and all the other keys that have stabilizers, these little metal rods, I did a paper towel mod, so I just shoved some paper towel inside the clear holes here, and it makes it sound much better. But this little part up here, right there, is not lit up because the paper towel. I don't think that should be too distracting. You should still be able to play games or type or whatever. But yeah, the spacebar kind of thocks. Listen to that. The worst key that's sounding, I need to fix it, but the spacebar goes like this. It rattles too much, so I'm thinking about getting chunkier stabilizers. The shift is pretty nice, no rattle. And here's how it sounds. There's enter, backspace. No, here's backspace. The best key has to be backspace. It's silent. The arrow keys, numpad, plus and minus, backspace, delete, insert, yeah, spacebar again. Now rest of the keyboard. F keys. Use a closer look at what it's looking like underneath. But yeah. Overall, I think it's a pretty quiet keyboard, pretty successful mod. Here's how it sounds like from far away. But yeah, thanks for listening to my Langtu gaming membrane keyboard mod. Baby oil and tissue paper. Thanks for watching. Bye.